Assembly instruction for the UPD8. This printed instruction will be inside of your unit. In this video, we will show you how to put this unit together in 8 simple steps. The only tool you will need is a rubber mallet. Step number 1, we will install the flow valve. Remove the cap. Then insert the threaded part at the bottom of the tank as shown in the video. Close the cap from the top, tighten it with your hand. Do not use any tool, you might break it. Tighten up with your hand. Now you can open and close the valve as you wish. Those are the manual on and off switch. Step number 2, we'll be installing the water trough. First, remove the sieve or the strainer. Then we will align the knobs that are on the side of the base, and we'll align them at the bottom of the tank or reservoir in the pre-cut areas. Just flip it upside down, align them well in all of their point, and here is where you're gonna use the rubber mallet to gently tap in until it snaps. Step number 3, installing the wheels. Same thing, we'll position the 2 wheels and align the knobs of the wheel with the pre-cut section of the reservoir. Use the mallet to tap it in gently. That's all we need to do at the bottom. Step 4, we'll install the handle. This is the part that is a little tricky because it will be needing to be forced to get into the opening in the back. As you can see, it will fit in, but the notches in front of the handle will be hindering the smooth entrance. That's where you need to push it in with your fingers, wiggle it side by side, front and back, until it fits in. Once it's in, you can just tap it from the top until the handle slides all the way through. Step number 5, we will install the support unit or the guide. Make sure that the hole is facing up. Then push it in between the handle and the hole until you hear a snap. Then the guide is going to be locked. Now the handle is ready. Step number 6, we'll be installing the safety mechanism, consisting of an elastic band with a metal tip. Bend the metal tip 90 degrees and insert it in the hole at the bottom of the handle. Once it's in, push it down and make the elastic band go through the little slot underneath. Now it's ready. As the handle goes up, the valve will be flush against the bottom, closing the valve regardless of the manual position. This is how it works. The string pulls up, the flow valve goes up, shutting off the water. Step number 7, we'll be installing the sieve. Put it back into the water trough and push it down. Step number 8, we'll be putting the cover. The cover has a silicone gasket all around to seal watertight. Position the cover on the top of the tank and lock all the 6 snap locks. The only time you will need to remove the whole cover is when you want to deep wash inside of the reservoir. Just for filling purposes, you have this 3-inch cap. You just compress it until it snaps, and that's the one that you will be opening and closing to fill the water tank as needed. And that's all it is. Now it's pretty much ready to go and to be used.